The WRAVOR machine is applied for root reduction and debarking for diameters from 200 to 1050 millimeters with milling edges of log ends. WRAVOR's root reducer and debarking always turn rough, natural products into smooth products. Root removal and debarking create logs of any thickness from tree trunks in the shortest time with machine precision for further processing. The standard equipment of the root reducer include the loading ramp for feeding, the powerful root reducer itself, the unloading system, and the conveyor system for clean disposal of accumulating bark. WKM provides you with the simple and convenient configuration and installation of your system, knowledge, and maintenance. Latest technology and performance is WRAVOR WRC 1250 AC band. Saw from WRAVOR to achieve maximum cutting capacity and minimum labor and faster hydraulic function for log manipulating. Possible new patented system for log turning systems. This horizontal bandsaw is part of the medium capacity sawmill line from WRAVOR. This sawmill runs a 6.3 inches bandsaw, capable of cutting logs up to a 49 inches diameter. The head rig comes complete with capturized setworks, along with log turning hydraulics and a board feeding conveyor. This unit is usually accompanied with a chain-fit log deck, a multi-blade edger to boost production. This is made in Slovenia. These firewood processors, established under the brand named RCA, are essential forestry accessories for processing of wood biomass. Logs into firewood. It has energy efficiency and simple and fast set up and take down and high capacity and compact and rugged construction and simple user-friendly controls. It has simple transport on tractor with 3-point mounting system. Its discharge conveyor is a new 5 meters long discharge conveyor. It changes the whole machine dimensions. This firewood processor has guide for directing the log. The hydraulic log holder for protection from rotating and turning over, adjustable hydraulic movable limiter from 25 to 50 centimeters. The next incredible woodworking equipment is WRAVOR C. WRAVOR C is the new processing center for manufacturing furniture, a staircase, and door and window components of any shape, size, and thickness. It has designed to be used for heavy-duty processing that require large-size tools and aggregates. The technology of the new WRAVOR C supports the machining of complex-shaped pieces, guaranteeing quality, precision, and absolute reliability over time. Absolute absence of vibrations thanks to the Ganti structure with double motorization, extremely solid and balanced, designed to raise the standards of precision and reliability in the execution of the work. This is suitable to use with up to 20 inches diameter logs. A strong steel square tube classic material has length of 50 mm, width of 50 mm, and height of 3 mm. It enables to transport logs without dragging and damaging the environment, which also helps to keep logs clean. Rear support is equipped with the log hanging system with chains and telescopic turnover construction to lift and carry the logs. It has a manual winch kit for pulling logs out of the wood with capacity of 725 kilograms. Manual winch kit includes the winch, manual control unit, cable with hook, and feeding brackets. Log hauler allows to pull the logs out without damaging the forest and also keeping the logs clean.